Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to compare income versus expenses in Trim. Do you want to know if you're living within your means? Well, Trim makes it super easy to compare your income to your expenses, basically your assets to your liabilities. Let me show you how it's done. First, open the Trim app and head to the dashboard. Then you're going to look for the spending summary or financial overview section. Here you're going to see two major numbers, total income and total expenses, usually displayed side by side. Trim calculates your income from linked accounts and tagged deposits, and it tracks your expenses based on categorized transactions. You can tap into either numbers for a detailed breakdown. For income, you're going to see paychecks and freelance income. And for expenses, you're going to see categories like groceries, bills, subscriptions, and more. If you want to check your net balance, just subtract expenses from income. Trim may even show a visual like a bar graph or pie chart so you can quickly spot overspending. This comparison helps you to adjust your budget, to cut unnecessary costs, and to increase savings. That's how Trim helps you keep your money in check. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to view income trends over time in Trim. So hit like and subscribe for more smart money moves. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.